Are you ready for your homemade times table jigsaw puzzle? Yes?
Yes, so 6 times 6.
Okay, can you remember your times table that we practiced?
6 times 6. Ooh.
What is it?
Do.
Can you tell me the answer?
46.
36. Well done. Okay, carry on. Let's see if you can beat the record. Because your Uncle Jav is going to go next. Let's see if he can beat you. What's that?
Not quite.
Do you know the answer to it? You have to join it with the answer. That's the tip I'm going to give you. So that one says...
Do.
Oh, well done. What's that?
Honeycomb.
Can you tell me the number sentence?
So 6 times 6 equals 46. 10 times 10 equals 100.
Okay, next.
Now let's do it.
What's that one?
25.
What was the number sentence?
5 times 5 equals 25. Then 4 times 4, 16.
Okay, so you're just matching the number sentence to the answer right now.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh, and the same as time.
What do you mean by that? So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then 2 times 2 is also...
4.
Yeah, you're right. You're good spotting.
So 1 times 1 equals 1.
Okay, now what are you... How are you going to put this jigsaw puzzle together?
All of this.
Yeah, you need to put it together into a puzzle.